Hi Bessie, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenny Debbie, and in today's video, happy new year guys, happy new year, happy new year. So in today's video, we are going to be sketching out the trending perfect airline, different type of airline. And if you are a ventilator, this video is actually for you. If this is your first time of coming by my channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are the MVP of this video. So let's go straight to the video. I'll be sharing with you guys how you can sketch your different fine airline. So let's go straight to the video. See you. What's up guys? So welcome. So this is a segment whereby we are going to be talking about the materials needed for today's tutorial. So we are needing our cardboard. This is a cardboard. You can get a notebook and a sellotape. This is our sellotape, a tape rule, your jotting note, pencil and a ruler, then your scissors and an eraser. So these are the things we need for today's tutorial. So let's go straight to the main video. Hi everybody, you can see I've cut a little bit out of the cardboard. You can see. So make sure when you are cutting it, this place like this is more than 13 inches. So let me measure what I measured. See, this is like, let's start from 1 because it's not complete. Let's just say 50. Let's just say 14 and half. So when you're measuring 13 inches, it will not be that much. So let's start from here. So I'll be measuring 13 inches. So I'm starting from 1 inches here because the 0 here has removed. So it starts from 0. So we are starting from, so it's going to end at 14 inches. That's 13. So plus the 0, that's 13 inches. So let's say this is 13 inches, 13 inches, 13 inches. So this is our 13 inches here. These are 13 inches here. So let me use my, so guys, I later look for a longer ruler for the measurement. So we have our inches, so we are marking 13 inches. So you can see this is our 13 inches here. You make a demarcation there, 13 inches. So this is our 13 inches. Then the half of 13 inches is 6.5. So this is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the half inches. So this is where the half inches is, and this is the 13 inches. So this is from this place to this side is our 13 inches. Then we are going to be, so this is where we marked this is the midpoint, and this, so don't be confused. No other point here. So as you can see, this is our 13 inches and this is the midpoint. So we are going to measure, since we are doing a, so as you can see, this is it. So I've highlighted the mark very well. So since we are doing a 13/4, so this is our inches. Then I marked out 4 inches. So this place to mark out 4 inches. So make sure your hand is very straight. This is 4 inches. So you can see what we are doing. So if it's your tape rule you want to use also, if it's your tape rule, is also 4 inches. So since we are starting from 1, it's going to be 5 like that. So you can see this is 4 inches, and this is our 4 inches here also. So I hope we all understood this part. So you will be joining this to the midpoint to form this we are going to be joining them together. So you can see this is the midpoint here. You are going to be doing a sketch. So this is how our sketch will look like. So when you are drawing the sketch, make sure you are very careful. So let's start with this side. Let's start with this side. Just make sure your hand is very straight. Very straight like this. So we have something covered in the other side. So try it here also. Try it here also. So we have something like this. So you can make it more curvy again when you are doing your this thing. So we have something more straight now. So you just have to clean up the excess sketch. So we have something more curvy now. So when we measure this side like this, year to year, we have 13. So we have 13. So this face is 13 inches, and we all know the half of 13 inches. So let me just that's my tape rule. Okay. Since this face has removed, so I'm starting from 1. So that will be 14. So 14. So half of 14, that's 7. So don't let me just confuse you. Let me just use the ruler. So this is where it's staying, and this is our 13 inches from year to year. So these are 13 inches, and half of 13 inches is 6 and a half. So this is our 6, and this is the half year. So we have our half to be year. Hope you can see. So this is the half. So guys, this place I want us to pay very big attention, and I want us to take our biro and pencil and write something down, because we are going to be talking about the different type of airline we are having. We have the regular airline, the window peak airline. We have the window peak with a low tempo peak airline. Then we have a low tempo peak airline. So now we are going to be drawing. The first one is going to be the regular one, then the second will be the window peak, then the third one will be the window peak with a low tempo peak airline, then the fourth one will be a low tempo peak airline. So guys, I want you to take note of this airline and watch as I draw each and every one of them. So this is the half, this is the half. So we are going to be drawing our regular airline, and this is from the middle part. We are going to measure 2 inches. You know, I'm not starting from 0, so that's why I'm using 1 inch. So this is the 1 inch, this is 1 inch, then this 2 inch. So we have 2 inch here, then we have another 2 inch, 1, 2. So this is another 2 inch. Then you do the same thing to this side also. Our 2 inches here, our 2 inches, then we have another 2 inches here. So to draw the regular airline, we're just going to you are going to be connecting the lines, and look at me while when you are connecting the lines. So this is it. To make sure you are making it curvy like a C shape. You can see how it is. So you have something like this. You have something like this, like a C. So from year to year now, you're not going to be you're going to draw another line also. So just like this. So do something similar to this place also. So you have one side settled. So you do the same thing to the other one also. So you are drawing a semicircle. So we'll have something like this also. So you have the regular airline. So for some of us, that I would just like you to just draw the middle part in case you just want to place your mannequin on it straight. So this is it. This is the middle part. You can just connect the two together. So when you are ventilating, you just measure. So you have your middle point. So this is how it is. So this is our regular airline. This is the regular airline. So let's go to the second airline. You can see, so this is our regular airline. So guys, I've gone ahead to clean the second one out, and I'm going to be drawing the window peak airline now. So as you can see that this place is still the middle point. So we are going to be measuring 2 inches. So this is our 2 inches. These are 2 inches here. Then we are going to be drawing 2.5 inches here. So 2.5 inches, that's 1, 1, 2, then the half. So we have 2.5. We have here to here to be 2 inches, then here to here to be 2.5 inches. So you do the same thing here also. Do the same thing here. So we have um we have 2 inches here. Then we have 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches here. So we have something like this. So you know this place to this place is 2 inches. Then this place to this place is 2 inches. This place to this place is 2.5. Don't forget that. 2 inches and 2.5. You can just put 2.5 here. Then this place is 2 inch. 2 inch, 2 inch, then 2.5. So I hope you understand. So there's another thing we are going to be doing here. So you are going to be splitting this into half. You can see. So this is 2 inches already. I'm going to be taking the middle point, the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. That means we have 1 inches here, 1 inches here. So you do the same thing here. Do the same thing here. Wow, this is the middle point. So you can see we have the middle point of it here. So we have the middle point. So we are going to be measuring quarter. So this is when I say quarter, that's 1/4. So we're going to be counting it 1, 2, 3, 4. From this place 1, 2, 3, 4. So this, let me just say half inch. So this is half inch here. From the middle, like from the middle to this place is half inch. It depends on how you want the hairline to be big, you know. So we have something like this. So I want you to pay a very good attention to what I'm doing here. So this place also, you know, is 2.5. So let's find the half of this. So the half will be around here. So for it, so it's somewhere here. So we have half of 2 inches, we have half of 2.5 inches, half of 2 inches, then we have the peak. So we are going to be doing something very, that's why I said we need to know our we need to have our sketch. So from this half, from the 2.5 inches, from the 2.5 half, we are going to be measuring half inch, just as we measure it here. So this is half inch. So this is our half inch. So from here also, here to here, this is our half inch. So we are going to be doing the connecting now. So I want you to pay very good attention to it. So here to here, here to here. So we have some that their peak will be very big, that the thing will be very long. You can make it 1 inch. It depends on what you want. So we have something like this. So from this side, we are going to be connecting it like this. So from this side like this, you are going to connect it to this, then from this you are connecting it to make sure your hand is very straight while you are connecting. So it's going to go like this. It's going to go like this. Then from this one we have something like this. So you can see, so this pic is looks so like it's not that coming out. So if you want something that you want a very exaggerated, you can leave 1 inches. So from this side like this to the 2 inches, then you go directly. So we have something like this. So you can see that this place I didn't connect it very well, so I have to clean it. I have to clean and redraw. So you have to do something like this from this side to this side, then from this side to this side. So we have our window peak. You can see it's giving a W shape. So this is what we call a window peak hairline. A window peak hairline. So this is how it's looking like. So this is how you see the front side pushing out. So if you want it to come out more, you can put maybe 1 inches. Yeah, guys, I hope you have learned one or two things in those videos. We still have two more to go, but before we proceed to the next videos, I want you to help me to like and subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can support us little babe. Thank you guys. Help me to like and click on the notification bell to be informed whenever I post another video. So I want this video to be short. Maybe I'm going to be posting another video in my next video about the next line. So don't forget to keep on the notification bell for you to be notified when I post another video. And guys, we also have a Telegram group whereby we talk about the basis of ventilation, all this airline. We did a lot of video there that can help you guys to improve, and there's a room for question and answer. So if you are interested in the class, then put it down in the comment section and I will be replying to each and every one of us in the comment section. So guys, thanks for staying tuned. Bye. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.